Well, okay, here we have an aftermarket Makita battery, also known as a knockoff Makita battery. I think this is Amazon. And it failed, blinking the lights of death on the charger, etc. Now sometimes it is genuine cell failure, sometimes it's the cells are out of balance and the charger simply doesn't like that because of safety reasons, which are, you know, fairly well known, or it's because it overheated. And in some cases, in genuine batteries, the board will actually be bricked. So the board will not work anymore. You can replace the cells, but the charger will still not charge the battery. That's because the board's been told not to let it charge ever again. So you need to replace the board and the cells. I'm not sure if that's the case with these aftermarket batteries. But you know, I think all I should be able to do is re-weld this, because the welds are broken, as you can clearly see. Just, you know, there's this bit of tape, like foam tape under here, and these cells are loosey-goosey, and the welds have snapped over time. And there's just no connection. They're all at about 3.8 volts, so there's nothing wrong with them at all. And yeah, that concludes this video on the aftermarket Makita battery that has failed. It's actually not what cells we got, it doesn't really specify on them anything at all. It's 18650, that's it, and the date. This is 11th, 2017. Yeah, that concludes this video. See you later.